Hello student, good morning, welcome back. So today I am going to discuss rest of the question in exercise problem in vector algebra chapter. Here is our first problem. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector A. Okay, so vector A given here. A is equal to I plus j plus 2k. Okay, and we have to find unit vector of this vector A, and unit vector A cap represent unit vector of this vector, and the formula of unit vector is vector A upon magnitude value of vector A. Okay, so here A is equal to I plus j plus 2k. Okay, and the general form we write here, general form xi yj plus zk. Okay, so what is when we compare both these vectors? Okay, this is a general form and this vector given in this question. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 2. Okay, and now we have to find this magnitude value. A is equal to, okay, x is equal to 1. So firstly we write x square y square z square. We put this value x is equal to 1 square, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 plus 4 under root 6. Okay, so unit vector of this vector A we can write here, unit vector of vector A is A cap vector A upon magnitude value of vector A. Okay, so this is a value I plus j plus k. This is a vector A upon magnitude value under root 6. Okay, so A cap is equal to 1 upon under root 6 I, 1 upon under root 6 j, 1 upon under root 6 k. This is a unit vector. So the next question is here, find the unit vector in the direction of vector pq where p and q are points. Okay, this point given here. Okay, so p is equal to given here, that is a 1 2 3, and q 4 5 6. Okay, here this point p in space and q and this point. Okay, OP is a position vector of point P and OQ is a position vector of point Q. We have to find this vector P and Q. Okay, so P and Q is equal to, we can write here, OQ minus OP, OQ minus OP. Okay, so we write in vector form. Okay, so that is a OQ, it represents 4i 5j plus 6k, and here O to P, it represent here, we write here I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, so OQ we write here 4i 5j plus 6k, minus sign comes here, and now we write OP. Okay, I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, and here 4i minus I. Okay, 3i, 5j minus 2j, 5j minus plus minus, so minus 2j, 3j, 6k minus, so minus plus minus, so 6k minus 3k plus 3k. Okay, and we take here common 3. Okay, I plus j plus k. Okay, so this is the vector PQ. PQ is equal to, finally we write here 3i plus j plus k. Okay, now firstly we have to find the unit vector of PQ. Okay, in question you can see that here, to find the unit vector in the direction of this vector PQ. Okay, so if this is a PQ vector, so in figure you can see that here in PQ. Okay, so that is a PQ cap, it represents unit vector having magnitude 1 and direction along PQ. Okay, so PQ cap here is equal to PQ upon magnitude value of PQ. Okay, if we take any unit vector, okay, if we have any vector and we take its unit vector a cap is equal to vector a upon magnitude value of vector a. This is a formula. So similarly we have to find the unit vector of this pq. So pq cap represent unit vector of this vector pq is equal to pq vector upon magnitude value of pq vector. Firstly we find out the magnitude value of this pq. Okay, so 3 square. Okay, so here 3 into 1 3 square, 3 square plus 3 square. Okay, so finally we take 3 square common. What left here? 1, and here 1, and here also 1. Okay, 3 under root 3. Okay, this is the value. So we put here all respective values in this formula. So pq cap is equal to pq vector, that is a 3i j plus k, okay, upon magnitude value pq 3 under root 3. 3 and 3 will cancel. I under root 3, j under root 3, k under root 3. Okay, this is the value. This is the vector pq. So we can write here pq is equal to I cap under root 3, j cap under root 3, k cap under root 3. In question number 9, for the given vector, okay, a and b, two vector given here, so we have to find the unit vector in the direction of vector a plus b. Okay, two vector given here and their sum is a plus b. Now we have to find the unit vector along this vector a plus b. Vector a given here 2i j 2k, vector b minus I plus j minus k. Okay, and now we have to find the unit vector in the direction of vector a plus b. Firstly we find out this vector a plus b, I mean sum of both these vectors. Okay, firstly, okay, so 2i minus j plus 2k, okay, plus now we put the value of b minus I plus j minus k. Okay, so 2i minus I minus j plus j, both cancel, 0j, 2k minus k plus k. Finally we can write here I plus k. Okay, and now we have to find the unit vector of this vector. Okay, so we take here another vector c cap. Okay, c cap here, and we can write here a plus b upon a plus b. Okay, so this c vector c cap is a unit vector of vector a plus b. Okay, and this vector unit vector having magnitude always is equal to 1 and direction along this vector a plus b. Okay, so we have this value a plus b, this is a value, and now we have to find the magnitude value of a plus b. So a plus b, I mean we have to firstly find out the magnitude value. Okay, here 1 square plus here, okay, j is equal to 0. Okay, this term 0 square plus k 1 plus 1 under root 2. Okay, so this is the magnitude value of a plus b. So c cap is equal to, we put a plus b, that is I plus k upon magnitude value under root 2. So finally we can write here I cap under root 2. Okay, so we can write here k upon under root 2. Okay, so c cap is equal to I upon under root 2, k upon under root 2. Our next question is here, question number 10. Find a vector in the direction of a vector. Okay, this is a vector. Okay, so we have to find a vector in the direction of this vector which has magnitude 8 unit. Okay, so now we have to find a vector. Okay, so firstly we give it name vector a, 5i minus j plus 2k. Okay, so we have to find another vector b, okay, whose direction along this vector a, okay, I mean a cap, and whose magnitude value 8 unit. Okay, I mean a cap represent here unit vector of this vector a whose direction will be same as that of vector a. Okay, but magnitude value 1. Okay, so a cap represent here unit vector of this vector a, and we already know that magnitude value of unit vector always 1 and direction will be same as that of vector a. Okay, so unit vector has same direction as that of vector a. So what we do here, firstly we find out this unit vector. Unit vector is equal to vector a upon magnitude value of vector a. Okay, this is the value a, and now we have to find the magnitude value. So firstly we have to find this magnitude value of a. 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square, 25, 1, 4, 30. Okay, so unit vector is equal to vector a. Okay, that is a 5i minus j plus 2k upon magnitude value under root 30. So a cap is equal to 5 under root 30 I minus 1 upon under root 30 j plus 2 upon under root 30 vector k, and we have to find this vector b. Now after that we put this value of unit vector in equation number 1. Okay, so finally we can write here b is equal to 8 into 5 under root 30 I minus 1 upon under root 30 j plus 2 upon under root 30 k. Okay, 5 into 8, 40 upon under root 30 I minus 8 upon under root 30 j plus 8 into 2, 16 upon under root 30 k. So this is our value. Our next question is here, show that the vector, this vector and this vector are collinear. Okay, there are two vectors given here, and now we show that both these vectors are collinear. Collinear means both lie on same straight line. Both these vectors lie on the same straight line. Okay, firstly we give it name. So vector a, this represents vector a, 2i minus 3j plus 4k, and we give it name b. Vector b is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Okay, so these are two vectors. Okay, so now we show that these two vectors are collinear. How we prove that these two vectors are collinear? Okay, so if this vector p and this vector q given here, okay, and we assume that both these vectors are collinear, then what is the condition? So p is equal to lambda q. Okay, lambda is any scalar. Okay, these both vectors satisfy this condition, then we say that these both vectors are collinear with each other. So how we find? So firstly you can see that this vector b, okay, so we can write here b, 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Okay, we take here 2 common. Okay, and we take also minus sign. So what left here? 2i, and here minus plus minus 3j, and minus plus. Okay, 4k. Understand that? And you can see that this is a vector a is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Okay, so we can write here 2 vector a. So finally b is equal to minus 2 vector a. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Okay, this look like this structure. Okay, so lambda is equal to minus 2 here. Okay, so this satisfies this condition. B is equal to vector b is equal to lambda a. Okay, and lambda is equal to any scalar. Minus 2 is a constant quantity, scalar quantity. Okay, so these both vectors a and b satisfy these conditions. Okay, so these two vectors are collinear. So vector a and b are collinear. Our next problem is question number 12. Find the direction cosine of the vector. Okay, this vector given here, we give it name vector a, I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, so now we have to find direction cosine of this vector. Okay, if we have any vector, we take any vector r, xi, yj plus zk. Okay, x axis, z axis, and this is the y axis we take here. Okay, and this is a point R. Okay, so this represent, and we take any point here. Okay, and this represent position vector xi, yj, and zk. Okay, we take its point, we take here P. Okay, so this is a vector R. This vector R represent, this make an angle. So this is a length of this vector, I mean the position vector of this point P. Okay, and this is a vector R. So what is this? Alpha, gamma, and beta. Okay, alpha, I mean this line make an angle alpha with x-axis, make an angle gamma with y-axis, and make angle beta with z-axis. Okay, so here cos alpha is equal to, okay, what we write here, x upon x square y square plus z square. Okay, and similarly cos beta is equal to y x square y square z square, and cos gamma is equal to z x square y square plus z square. Okay, what is this? L, M, and this is N. Okay, direction cosines, these are called direction cosine. Okay, direction cosine of that vector R. Okay, so similarly here, so if we compare, so what is the A, and this is a, if we take general form here, xi, yj, and zk. Okay, what is the, and when we compare both of these, then what is the value of x? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. Okay, so here cos alpha we take here L. Okay, so 1 x. Okay, so we put here 1 under root, okay, x square y square z square. Okay, so what is the value? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 1, this is a 1, 4, and 9, finally 14. Okay, and similarly m. Okay, this is a m is equal to cos beta is equal to y. What is the value of y? 2 upon, this is the same value, x square y square z square, so we directly write here under root 14, and n. Okay, that is a cos gamma is equal to 3 under root 14. Okay, these all are direction cosines of this vector A. Okay, this vector A.